Lawson with Car and Driver. We're here at the 2019 Detroit Auto Show, sitting in the all-new 2020 Toyota Supra. It's finally here after years of speculation and leaks and concept cars and prototypes. This is the real thing. It's co-developed with BMW with the all-new Z4 Roadster. The Supra will have only a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine to begin with. It makes 335 horsepower, 365 pound-foot of torque, slightly less than what you get in the Z4 M40i version. We know that a 4-cylinder Supra is coming, which will be much less power than that. No manual to start, just a ZF 8-speed automatic with paddle shifters, as you can see here. But a manual apparently is coming. They're working on one. But because BMW did not engineer that engine to have a manual transmission, there isn't one to start. Chassis is all BMW original. The engine is pretty much everything you can see in this interior, like all the buttons, the iDrive system, that was all developed with BMW. But Toyota was able to do their own chassis tuning and performance tuning to make the Supra really feel different than the BMW. It starts at just over $50,000, about 10 grand less than the 6-cylinder Z4, and pretty much the exact same price as the 4-cylinder Z4. It's a 2-seater only with an actually pretty sizable hatchback area in the rear. The exterior design is pretty close to what we saw on the FT1 concept from the 2014 Detroit Auto Show. There's no real surprises with the design of the Supra. We've been seeing it for so long. In person, I personally think that it looks good. There's some weird proportional things and lots of fake vents on the outside, but it's a very striking car in person, and hopefully it'll be really good to drive too. Make sure to click the link below, go to carandriver.com to find out all you need to know about the 2020 Toyota Supra.